Welcome back to my channel. I want you to meet Bruce. This is our English Bulldog. And Bruce. Bruce, hi. Okay, that's it. Bye, Bruce. Now we'll talk about the planners. Bye. So now we're back here at my normal spot where I like to film. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland, and I have my front door open. The sun just went behind the clouds, so hopefully I can quickly film this. In front of you are my two happy planners and then my Hobonichi Techos. So let's start off with the happy planners. But this is my layout for this week. Put down the washi, put down a couple of stickers, and as I said before, I went with a really simple, flexible layout, which I made myself, so that if I need to change it for any reason, I can. So here is like a blank layout that I created. And then I have blank pages in the back, which I cut down from an 8x11 paper. This is a classic size happy planner. So this is this week's layout: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, exercise, weight, and steps. And then this is last week. So this is my layout for my fitness, exercise, and then my meal tracking. This is my Happy Planner Classic Disney collaboration book. This one is really my planner. I am a white space planner, meaning I don't mind the white space, but my goal this year is to try to use up all my stickers and washi. And so I will load up my pages with stickers. So this is for this week. This is for last week. So you can see how crazy heavy it is. I don't plan in advance unless I have, something I know specifically something's happening, like the trash and water delivery. But I generally plan as the day happens. So I'll put down my sticker as I'm doing things, or if I know I need to do something, then I will create a little to-do list for myself. But this is how it looked for last week, and then the week before. I won't show you January because I have my bills laid out, and starting February I decided to keep my bills on a separate sheet of paper so that I don't have to share that with you, and I don't have to cover up my pages when I try to share these layouts with you. So that's my happy planner. Now we're moving on to the Hobonichi. I didn't do anything in my cousin because I was busy cleaning last week. So in here is another bag from Daiso. I have my A6 zipped cover. This is the boy and dog cover, and I still am loving this guy. And I keep them in the bag because of the pet hair. I actually didn't get a chance to do much in here other than draw in and color Kevin from Up. So that's what he looks like. My initial plan was to try to doodle in more animals, but then I stopped once I put him in there and colored him. I do plan on going back when I have time and coloring in the rest of these animals and maybe try to squeeze in some more stuff. But for now, this is what it looks like. This is what it looked like not a week, but when I felt like doodling. This was the 47 Ronin. And then Lava the day before that. And it's been fun. I really love this cover. And in this one, this Daiso bag, I have my A6 Elmo cover. This is my diary. I won't show you my diary, but in the monthly layouts, I started to do the gratitudes again. So let me show you that. This is for March, and this is for January. In case you haven't decided what you want to do with your monthly layout, this is what I decided to do again. Again, not shy with the sticker or the washi. And then lastly, I want to show you my A6 weekly supplement, which I am keeping in my A6 leather cover. That was supposed to be for the 5-year Hobonichi Techo. I'm using it to house my A6 weekly supplement, as well as a blank A6 journal, which I'm using to house my medical stuff. Let me see. So let me show you this week. Again, not shy with the washi or the stickers. So this is yesterday. This is for last week. I've noticed when I watch other Plan With Me's, people seem to have themes. So I try to theme it to something, but then as you can see, I use a whole lot of different stickers that don't really mesh together, but then I just try to keep the colors not similar, but you know, I don't want the red on red, so I have red and green. The only Chinese thing I had going on was my washi tape, which we picked up from Florida at Walt Disney World. So this is last week, and then the week before was really plain. So this is my After the Pen flip through of my Hobonichis, and then you can't see them anymore, but my Happy Planners down below. I've thought about making 2 separate videos for After the Pen with my Happy Planners and my Hobonichi, but since I'm not doing too much in both of them, that it just made more sense to combine it in one video. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and I will see you next week. Take good care. Bye.